Hello family, I hope you're having a glorious day and good morning. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use Google Photos. Now, why do you want to be using Google Photos? You want to use Google Photos so your phone never fills up, it never runs out of space. Because if you notice, mainly your phone is being filled up and running out of space because of pictures and videos. When you record videos and take lots of pictures, it'll fill up your gallery and then your memory on your phone gets full. Now, Google has fixed this problem by releasing something called Google Photos. So it's just up here, see this photos? So you click it. Now, what Google Photos does is it puts all your pictures and all your videos and it takes them and puts them into this application, which saves it to your Gmail address. So if you use a Gmail to log into your Android phone, so this works for all Samsungs, anything Android, anything Google phone, not iPhones, but Google phones. Maybe they released it also for iPhone, but you'd have to double check that. So what happens, you download the Google Photos app from Google Play. So you go to Google Play, and then you type Google Photos. Normally it comes pre-installed on people's phones. This one, Google Photos by Google, and then a smart gallery by Google with free unlimited photos and video storage. So you can free unlimited storage of your photos and videos. It organizes all your photos and videos into trips, into people. It even sees people's faces, and you can click on someone's face, animals. So you can search by dogs, free up space, and then you can free up all your. So heads up, this will delete 2,564 photos and videos from your device. So it's going to take the photos and videos from your gallery. It's going to delete them from your phone, and they're going to be backed up onto this Google Play app. The only thing you have to know is that when this happens, you have to be connected to the internet to see these photos and videos that are backed up. So you won't be able to see them in your gallery anymore. You'll only be able to see them when you're connected to the internet and you go to your Google Play, your Google Photos app. And it will also make really cool different things, like it'll make smart albums. It'll take your photos and videos and create them into these beautiful images and videos for you that will pop up. It'll show you pictures and videos from your different years and previous times. Like we'll go, here's a video of what happened in 2016, you know what I mean, on this day in 2016, and you'll see like a video. You can search by dog, like you can put in search terms, so like buildings, dogs, people, and you can make albums and videos. You can it'll connect with your Google Assistant and it'll show you your videos as well. It's really a beautiful application. I highly recommend it. Google Photos. So once you open the Google Photos app, so I'll open it here, like I already have it open, but we'll just click open. So there's all my Google Photos and videos, and it goes back to 2004 for me. And then you'll have your albums, your assistant, sharing, you can share photos and videos with people. And here you click here, and you can click, you can free up space, which is here. And it'll free up space and delete any videos and photos from your gallery, which will give you plenty of space on your phone again, and it'll store them all into this app, and you have unlimited space on your app. And you can also click albums, and it's got like videos, people, so people and pets, and it'll have all the people that you've taken pictures of in your, and you can click on their face and it'll show you all their pictures. It's really an amazing application. So I click my friend Dino, for example, and it'll show all the videos and photos he sent me. It's a really good application. I highly recommend it. It will make your phone run a lot smoother because you're not going to have all these photos and videos, and you're going to have plenty of space on your phone so you won't run out. Thank you, beautiful people, and I hope you have an amazing day. And I'm going to keep making more videos about how to use technology so you can show it to your parents, your grandparents, yourself, just ways that you can use technology like Google and Samsung and Android to just use them in better ways and smarter ways. I developed for Google, so I worked for Google for the last 7 years, so yeah, I have a lot of experience in this, and I'd like to help a lot of people out, because I have a lot of people asking me questions, like my mom, for example. My phone is full, I can't use anything in my gallery, so I'm also making this video for her, for example. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. See you.